So we'll see the first problem here. Okay, a sole trader has kept his books of accounts under single entry system. He sent the following information. He has sent all the assets and liabilities here. Okay, so debtors we have opening balance and closing balance. Debtors we have 9,500 and 8,400, which will be recorded here in statement of affairs asset side, because debtors it is asset. Okay, debtors opening we have 9,400 and closing we have 8,400. Remember, opening date will be always 1st of April and closing date will be 31st of March. So debtors we have opening balance 9,400, closing 8,400. The next we have creditors 4,000 and 5,000. Creditors it is a liability, so we are going to record liability side here, creditors 4,000 and 5,000. Okay, then cash at bank you have 3,400 and 6,000. Asset, so we are going to record asset side here, cash at bank 3,500 and 6,000. Okay, then bills payable you have 2,000 and 1,000. Liabilities we are going to record liability side, bills payable 2,000 and 1,000 here. Okay, the next we have stock. Okay, 8,000 and 17,000. So stock we have 8,000 and 17,000. Asset side are going to record because it is asset. Then building 20,000 and 20,000. Building asset side asset, so 20,000 and 20,000. Then vehicle we have, which we have purchased on 1/6/2014, 30,000 only closing balance you have. So vehicle 30,000 you are going to record at the asset side. Okay, now we have entered all the assets here. Now only closing balances we have to record in the revised statement of affairs here, like balance sheet. Okay, opening and closing both we will record in statement of affairs, and only closing we will record in revised statement of affairs. Now first what you have, debtors it is 8,400, right? With regard to debtors, you have to check if you have any adjustment. Out of debtors, 400 is irrecoverable, means bad debts it is, and further 5% RDD has to be provided. So debtors value, closing balance you should take, closing how much we are having, 8,400. So 8,400 less, you have to less bad debts 400 in that, so 8,000 you will get. Okay, so less RDD 5% on it, that is 400, so you'll get 7,600 the balance. Now bad debts and RDD both you have to record here in statement of profit and loss, less expenses and losses. Bad debts 400 and RDD 5% 400. Okay, the next you have creditors, it is 5,000. So revised statement directly we will record creditors 5,000 because we don't have any adjustment with this. Then closing balance of cash, how much will get, 6,000, that will be recorded here, cash at bank 6,000 asset side. Then bills payable 1,000 you have, so revised statement liability side, bills payable 1,000. Okay, then stock you have 8,000 and 17,000. So already we have recorded opening and closing here, only closing we have to record here, stock 17,000 in revised statement. The next you have building 20,000. Any information regarding building, appreciate building 10%. So building value closing we have 20,000, add appreciation 10% on it, so 2,000. So closing building now we have it is 22,000. Appreciation you are going to record under incomes and gains here, add incomes and gains, appreciation on building 2,000. The next you have vehicle 30,000, and they have asked you to depreciate vehicle 5% when it was purchased on 1/6. Okay, so building vehicle we have 30,000 closing balance, only one balance you have, less depreciation 5% for 10 months because it was purchased in the month of June, right? So count from June to March, you will get it as 10 months. So on 30,000 5% for 10 months you will get 1,250. So you will get a balance, it is 28,750 here. Okay, so 1,250 depreciation is going to record under statement of profit and loss here. Depreciation on vehicle 1,250. So total we have it as 2,050 here. Now come to problem. We have recorded all these things. Now his drawings during the year rupees 6,000 and additional capital invested rupees 4,000. Now drawings we are going to add here to the closing capital. Add drawings rupees how much? 6,000 and less opening capital, less additional capital 4,000, and same will be recorded in the revised statement. Add it to opening capital, additional capital 4,000, less drawings 6,000. Okay, then next all the things we have recorded. Now come to statement of affairs. Okay, now first you have to add all these things: 9,500, 3,500, 8,000, 20,000. So total we have 41,000. See here, opening assets we have 41,000 and opening liabilities you have to check. So opening liabilities we have 4,000 and 2,000. So 6,000. So opening capital we have 35,000, where you're going to record here capitals opening balance we have it as 35,000. Now add all these things: 8,400, 6,000, 17,000, 20,000 and 30,000. Okay, so you'll get it as 8,14,000 minus closing liability 5,000 you have and 1,000. So total you have 6,000. So closing capital we have 75,400 here. That will be recorded here, capital 75,400 in a closing column. Now opening capital where you have to record here. Okay, opening capital 35,000 and here in the revised statement opening capital 35,000. Then closing capital 75,400, which will be recorded here at the beginning. Closing capital 75,400. Now this account being closed. Okay, both sides you should write the total: 41,000, 41,000, 81,400 and 81,400. Come to revised statement of affairs now. Sorry, statement of profit and loss. Closing capital we have recorded now, right? 75,400. You're going to add drawings to that 6,000, so you'll get capital 81,400. You're going to less in that additional capital 4,000, so you'll get adjusted capital 77,400. In that you're going to less opening capital. What we found out, 35,000 it is. So 77,400 minus 35,000, you'll get plus 42,400. So it is a gross profit. So for that you're going to add incomes and gains, that is 2,000 you have. So 44,400 you'll get, and in that you're going to less all expenses and losses. So total losses we have 2,050 here. So net profit we have 42,350, which will be added to opening capital here. Net profit 42,350. Okay, so less drawing 6,000, you'll get it as 75,350. Then add balance sheet total, means revised statement of affairs total, you'll get it as 81,350 here. Okay, second problem I'll explain. Try to solve it, then you can go through the solution. Okay, a retailer has kept the following information. You are required to prepare statement of affairs, statement of profit and loss, as well as revised statement. Okay, now stock asset side you have to record revised statement of affairs, and closing balance you are going to record revised statement of affairs. Okay, then creditors both you have to record in statement of affairs, and closing balance will be recorded in revised statement liability side. Debtors asset side. Okay, cash asset, bank overdraft liability, bills receivable asset, furniture asset, vehicle asset. Only closing balances will be recorded in the revised statement. Opening and closing both will be recorded in revised statement. Okay, and the drawings during the year they have given 2,600, which are going to less. Okay, with the capital in the revised statement, and are going to add it to closing capital in statement of profit and loss. Now come to adjustments. Okay, depreciation on furniture by 10%. Means furniture value we have here closing 1,500. In that 10% you have to less in the revised statement, and same we are going to record under expenses and losses, depreciation on furniture. Then write off rupees 300 from vehicle, means depreciation again on vehicle. Okay, vehicle we have 1,900, in that you are going to less 300. Okay, and same 300 will be recorded under statement of profit and loss, expenses and losses. Then debtors included 500 from customers who is insolvent and irrecoverable, means bad debts 500, which you have to record expenses and losses under statement of affairs, and you're going to less it with the debtors, and provide RDD at 5% on debtors, means you have to create 5% provision. So same provision will be recorded in RDD, means reserves will be recorded in expenses and losses, and same will be recorded in the balance sheet. This is the solution we have made here. Okay, go through the solution. Still if you get any doubt, you can get it clarified. Okay.